Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode. I'm back with Raj today. So, thank you, Raj, for joining in. It's a pleasure to have you. Thank you.
My pleasure to be here.
Yeah. So, before beginning, Raj, it would be great if you could, speak about yourself and what you do. Yeah.
Okay, I'm a computer engineering student. I'm currently in final year and I'm studying in PICT.
Okay.
I'm here in Pune since last 4 years right now. And basically, our family, we are based in Dubai for the last 15 years.
Okay.
And apart from that, I'm from Nagpur.
Okay. Okay. Great. And yeah, so the reason I got Raj today on the show is I saw that Raj was doing wonderful work by asking people about their story. So, Raj, could you just speak about that and why you started and how it started? That would be great.
Okay, yeah. I go on FC Road holding a board that says, "Tell me your story and I'll give you 10 rupees."
Hmm.
The the reason why I started that is there are many people out there who have known to talk with. They're going through many things. They're going through depression, and things we cannot even think about. So what happens is they feel like they're alone. See, I've been into that position where you feel like koi to hona chahiye, someone who would
Yeah.
understand you, who would care for you and just listen to you, man. We don't need anyone to give us advices. We just need someone to listen to us when we're in that phase. So I thought, I came out of it, gradually. And then I saw a post on Instagram that said, "Tell me your story and I'll give you $1." And
Hmm.
that was so like intriguing. That was so exciting for me. And I said that, I'll do it. On the same moment, I said that I will do it. And I did on the next day. And that's what I do.
Okay, okay, and how like is it just began because you saw that picture about $1 thing on Instagram and then you started? That's the reason.
Yeah, basically the reason was I wanted to do something for the society because around us there are many people who are going into depression right now because of lockdown, you can say, or because of corona, and everyone they're losing his jobs. Like couples are far away, long distance are not working out, and many things and many factors. And like relationship factors is not only about girlfriend or boyfriend. It's about husband wife. It's about parents and like their child, father son relation, anything. And there are many problems people are going through, and we can't even imagine what kind of pain they are in right now. And I just wanted to do something for the society. I just wanted to help someone out, अगर मेरा जैसे एक इंसान की भी जान बचती है, I feel that will be fruitful.
Okay, so and how much time has it been that you go and speak with people and all? How much time has it been?
It's been around 25 days right now. Yeah, 24 days. And it's been great because people are coming, people are talking, people are expressing their feelings. And I feel that, at the end of the day, they feel good just because, expressing the feelings. So response has been great. And I was not expecting, people from all walks of life to come because I felt yeah, millennials will be more into it, in talking to a stranger. But I was surprised to see that people above the age of 45 were also very, open to talk about the feelings, and that was something that touched me.
Okay, okay, and could you like how how does it make you feel when you speak with people? Like what's that feeling when you speak and hear somebody speaking about their problems or anything they want to share with you? How does it feel to you?
See, when someone is talking to me about the feelings, they are in a very, low life condition. They're very low at that point, and what they go through when they put it in words, like I go through the emotions with them, and I feel, their story. I go in their shoes. I stand in their shoes and go through their journey, and
Hmm.
I feel what they're going through. And at the end of the day, I try to help them because after they tell me their story, if they are seriously in depression or something, and then I seriously suggest them that you should go to therapy, and how it will help them. So, or is if I've been through that position in my life or in that situation, I try to help them. I try to tell them, what I did, because listening to experience of people always help us take decisions, right? So, like if you have gone through that position, you will always be able to give someone that experience that I have been through this and I did this and this helped me in this way. So that's what I try to do. In short.
Okay, okay, and how like how was being when you said to your parents that I want to do something like that? So how was their response to you and what did they say to you?
My parents,
Yeah.
Yeah, parents, I was not, sure that they'll understand this, so I did not tell them at all. I
Okay.
said, this will be a social experience for me too, right? Because I am a shy kind of guy. I thought, people won't come, or I won't be able to do it for long. But the once I took the first step, there was no looking back. People started coming, they started expressing their feelings, and that made me feel good that I'm doing something for them. And my parents found out through an article on Facebook that Raj Dagoya is doing something like that, and they were
Okay.
very, very proud. Yeah, and they were like shocked. Yeah, this Raj, oh, what? Ask time he's doing something,
Okay.
and
Okay.
yeah, it was a really proud moment for them.
Okay, okay. And would you like to share some story which you like, not I think any story which inspired you or which touched you, or you wish that people know, and how they can help their friends or somebody else in such times. Yeah.
Like I won't. The An incident that touched me was, I keep telling about this incident to everyone because that really, really, really helped me do what I'm doing right now. Because on the second itself, I was talking to a person. He came to me, he told me his story. We talked for 1.5 hours, and at the end of it, he tells me that, Raj, if I would have not talked to you, I would have done something wrong after going home.
Okay.
Can you imagine? Like
Yeah.
that was the intensity of the problems he was in, and I felt good that he did not take that step. And fortunately enough, he is in a good position right now. He's recovering, and I try to help him. And this is not the only case. I receive calls of from people who are actually very suicidal at that moment, and then like what they would do at that moment on the call, they don't know. Like that kind of situation I've been in, and fortunately enough there is no casualty as of yet, and I have tried to calm them down and suggest them therapy, and it's really working for them. I can see it's not a one day, one session thing. It always takes many sessions and many more sessions, right? Because
Yeah.
getting out of depression is not easy. So they're doing that bit right now, and they're recovering slowly.
Okay. Okay. And so yeah, it's really wonderful, Raj, to hear that you start a thing and you go and ask the people and talk to people of their stories and all. So yeah, I think it's good that you come here and share with us. So before ending up, what would be your message to anybody listening this or watching this?
Okay. See, there are many people out there who need our help. Okay, and we see so many people who are in depression right now, and so many people who can't express. But if you're their friend, if you are seeing someone who is in depression, talk to them. They just need 5 minutes of your lives, and that will be great. Just hear them out. Just like ask them, "Kya hua hai? What's wrong with your life? If you want to talk to me, I'm there for you." That line is enough. Like that gives them strength, because many people who come and talk to me, they just want someone to hear them out. And
Mm,
when people put their things out in open, what happens is small small things that keeps on binding up. Okay, and then at the end you think, yeah, nahi, there's no one with me, I'm alone, and like no one will care if I die also, right? That thing starts coming. So if you're talking to them, they'll feel like I'm not alone and there is someone with me. And when they tell you the story, the things starts becoming clear more and more from their side only. They'll only understand that what is happening with me, it happened because of this or that. Because when you put that in words, right? Because small small fragments you keep in our mind, and when you put that in a story, you realize यार ये इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है. मतलब this can be common and this can happen to anyone.
mm.
But yeah, just talk to your friends, help them out, and spread love, spread happiness. That's it.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you very much for joining in. It was really wonderful to have you, Raj. It's. I think I enjoyed this session. Just listening to you. Wish you all the best and wish you all the goodness and the success which you wish to achieve. Thank you very much for joining in. Thank you.